Welcome to Bubblelina's Adventures. I'm Amber. So, all this time we've been just showing you how to plant plants in our garden. So let's go to the garden and find out how to take care of plants. Ta-da! This is our garden. So now, let's figure out how to take care of them. First step, watering. So I've been teaching you how to plant these plants. Now, you see the soil's cracking. That's why we're going to do watering. So as you can see, this is really cracking. You're actually supposed to do it before it cracks, but we were a little too late. So hold on, let's go get the hose. So first, there's some weeds, so we have to pull them out. I took out the roots too, so it doesn't go into a new one. Roots. So before watering, let me tell you what plants we have here. So over here, we have lettuce. Really cute, huh? They're growing still. When they grow up, we're gonna have fresh lettuce. Then there's red leaf lettuce. As you can see, it's a lovely red, and here are strawberries. They're starting to grow already. You see this one? When they turn red, they're going to be beautiful red and they're going to be delicious. So there's butternut squash over there. And yeah, that's about it. They make their own food. Like they use the sun, water, and soil to create their own food. And water, of course. Did I say that already? Okay, whatever. Talking about water, let's get hosing. The hose is on, so we're going to start with the shower one to sprinkle it. We're not going to actually put it directly on the plant. We're going to shower around it because if you put it directly on the plant, it might overwater. Now, we need the exact thing for water and enough water and not too much water. So you're gonna like sprinkle the soil kind of like that. So you see how it's like brownish? That's what you kind of want. So you're probably wondering when to water it. So you could do it in the morning, but if it's too hot, do it in the evening. Either morning or evening are fine, but noon, don't do it at noon. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.